Are you a backyard warrior with the space of a postage stamp, or an apartment dweller with just a balcony to call your own? Do you dream of fresh veggies but only have a tiny patch of earth or a windowsill to work with? Don't let your space dictate your taste. Today, we're turning every nook and cranny into a vibrant veggie-growing paradise, whether you're in the city or squeezed in suburban style. Chapter 1. Onions, the space savers. Onions, they're the introverts of the veggie world. They like their personal space but are happy to share their flavors. You can squeeze them into pots so skinny, they might as well be doing Pilates. Green onions? They're like the garden's mullet. Business at the bottom, party at the top. Snip, snip, and they just keep on growing, making them perfect for the gardener who's all about minimal effort for maximum yum. Whether you've got a patio or a patch, onions are your space-saving besties. Chapter 2. Garlic, the vertical vibe. Garlic, the culinary knight in shining armor, but also the unsung hero for small gardens. It grows upwards like a skyscraper of taste, not sprawling all over your precious real estate. Plant garlic, and you're not just growing food, you're recruiting an army of tiny, aromatic guardians to fend off garden pests. It's like having your own security team, where the uniform is a clove and the badge is a bulb. Chapter 3. Kohlrabi, the alien invader. Kohlrabi looks like it's crash-landed from another planet, but trust me, it's a friend to your small space. This bulb grows above ground, so it's like the garden's own little UFO, compact, mysterious, and full of nutrients. Whether you're working with a tiny balcony or a narrow strip by your house, Kohlrabi is here to prove that even in tight spots, you can grow something out of this world. Chapter 4. Arugula, the shade lover. Arugula, the dark, leafy green with a peppery attitude, perfect for those parts of your garden or balcony that the sun forgot. It's the goth kid of the veggie patch, thrives in the shade, grows fast, and adds spice to life. Plant it in hanging baskets, window boxes, or wherever you have a bit of gloom, and you'll be harvesting fresh salad leaves before your next coffee break. It's nature's fast food, quick, nutritious, and stylishly dark. Chapter 5. Radishes, the speed growers. Radishes are for those of us with the patience of a toddler. Plant them, forget them, and voila. In a month, you've got radishes for days. They're ideal for small spaces because they don't need deep soil, just a little earth to call their own. It's like they've got an internal timer set to harvest now. With so many varieties, your garden can be a radish fashion show, proving that even in the tiniest plot, you can have variety and speed. Chapter 6. Spinach, the green powerhouse. Spinach, because every garden needs its own superhero. This leafy wonder doesn't demand much, just a bit of soil, some shade, and a dash of coolness. Stack it vertically, plant it in pots, or let it hang out on your windowsill. Spinach is the plant that says, I can grow anywhere, making your small garden a powerhouse of nutrition. It's like having your own mini farm of health, proving that even in cramped quarters, you can eat like a champ. Chapter 7. Leeks, the tall drink of water. Leeks are the supermodels of your garden. Tall, elegant, and they don't mind sharing the spotlight. They're perfect for vertical gardening, growing up like they're on a catwalk. Whether you've got a small patch or a narrow planter, leeks are here to show that you can grow something sophisticated. They might take their time, but patience is a virtue, especially when the reward is so delicious. Chapter 8. Beets, the double-duty veggie. Beets are the vegetable equivalent of getting a 2-for-1 deal. With their vibrant greens for salads and sweet, earthy roots for dinner, they're the multitaskers of the garden. They're like the friend who brings both the snacks and the entertainment. Beets add a splash of color, making even the smallest garden a visual treat. And for the beginner gardener, they're like that easygoing buddy who's always up for a good time. Chapter 9. Carrots, the deep rooters. Carrots, because who doesn't love a treasure hunt? They need depth, not width, so a deep pot or a raised bed will do. They're the proof that even in the most compact of spaces, you can dig deep for something sweet and crunchy. With varieties from baby to round, carrots show off that in gardening, like in life, it's not about the size of your plot, but how you use it. So, whether you're an urban farmer with a balcony or a suburbanite with a tiny yard, remember, your space doesn't dictate your green thumb. With these veggies, creativity, and our gardening buddy, you can transform any small space into a verdant, veggie-filled wonderland. Let's prove that big things, or in this case, big flavors, come in small packages. Happy gardening, and remember, in the world of tiny gardens, the only limit is your imagination. You can grow it.